You are charged with a second-degree felony for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, and you're charged with a Class A misdemeanor resisting arrest or search. Now, do you have friends or family that can help bond you out?
No, sir. I live alone.
You live alone, and you don't have any family that would be able to come to help?
When he attacked me, I was throwing my purse at him to keep him
I don't
off.
want you to get into the facts of the case. I
Okay.
your side of the story.
I don't have my cell phone, so I can't contact my sister in Round Rock, and I can't contact my sister in Austin because I don't have their numbers with me.
Okay. All right. Well, if they find out that you're in jail, if at some point they're able to, that they find out, would they assist you in bonding out of jail, or?
Why come I can't make a personal bond? I'm very responsible, Your Honor. I have worked all my life. Motorola, 18 years.
Well, I understand. The law does not allow a personal bond on an aggravated assault with a deadly weapon charge. And so one of the reasons I'm asking you what kind of resources your family has is so that I can take that into consideration in setting a bond amount. Come on in. And so that's why I'm asking. So if, assuming your parents, your people, your family finds out, what kind of resources do they have to bond you out?
I can't speak on my sister's finances. They have children and families of their own, but I'm sure if they could help me, they would.
Okay.
But your officers are the reasons why I have a knife in my possession. They told me I could.
Talk to your lawyer about that, okay? Talk to your lawyer about that. I know you have your side of the story, and I don't mean to cut you off, but this is a recorded proceeding. Whatever you say can be used against you. And so I don't want you making any statements about the case. You need to discuss that with your lawyer. And that's for your protection. I just don't want you to compromise your interests. So let's not get into the facts of the case, okay?
I just want to go home to my apartment on the lake.
Well, you're going to have to post bond, Ms. Berry. And this is not a minor case. The allegations involved here, I've reviewed the police report, and, yeah, it's not a minor case. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set your bond on the second-degree felony aggravated assault with a deadly weapon at $7,500, which I actually cut the bond in half from what I was originally inclined to do it based upon your financial situation. But I'm not comfortable going lower than that because of the particular serious allegations involved here, and I won't get into the detail of that.
Allegations.
Well, talk to your lawyer about that, and your lawyer can ask for a bond reduction hearing and come talk to me about it, and I'll listen. But your bond is set at $7,500 at this time. On the resisting arrest or search charge, your bond amount set at $1,000. Total amount of your bond is $8,500. A bail bond company will often do about 10%. If they charge 10%, they would do it'd be around $850. It's up to you to find the cheapest bondsman you can find and make your own arrangements with them. Now, Ms. If you post bond and get out of jail, you are not allowed to have any contact with the alleged victim in this case, and you're required to stay 200 yards away from him at all times, no matter where he is. Now, it's my understanding from reading the police report, y'all don't necessarily live in the same area, so hopefully there won't be a problem. But what I'm saying is if you see him, you need to go the other direction. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Do you want a court-appointed attorney, or do you want to hire your own lawyer?
A court-appointed is fine.
Do you have any questions?
I just want to go home.
You're going to have to call your family and friends and try to bond out because you're not going to be able to get a personal bond on this case.
Yeah, your boys did their homework. Unfortunately, they lied, though. And it's a disgrace that they're wearing badges.
Okay, well, talk to your lawyer about it. You certainly have the right to fight your cases and argue that what happened is not consistent with what the police reported. And so you talk to your lawyer.
I was the one assaulted, but I'm still sitting in jail, really?
Talk to your lawyer about that. I'm not going to get into a discussion. I can tell you I'm familiar.
I know you're not.
What's that?
I'm disgusted with the system, that's what.
All right, well, based upon
this man is homeless, a convicted habitual criminal, and I'm a person with a resume that's exemplary, and you're gonna let me sit in this rotten jail, really?
Based on the allegations involved here,
allegations, exactly, that's what they are. False allegations, Your Honor.
Talk to your lawyer about it. I don't want you making any more.
Stop.
Good luck.
Stop. With a motherfucking baby.